I am going to be creating some Valentine's cotton candy hearts. What you are going to need are some large hearts. These hearts came from Hobby Lobby because for some reason Dollar Tree didn't have any of the wood hearts in stock. You are going to cut off the small hearts and use the big hearts. Set aside the small hearts for a later project. Get your buffalo snow and tear a piece off that is big enough to cover the heart. Use your glue gun to glue the sides first and work your way around the heart. There will be times that you will have to stretch the buffalo snow to cover the heart. You're going to need a total of 10 hearts that will be covered with the buffalo snow. I am going to skip to the last part of the buffalo snow being added to the last heart to speed up the process. When you are done covering up the last heart with the buffalo snow, you are going to spray paint all the hearts. The colors choices that you should use are going to be up to you. I decided to go with 8 different colors for the hearts. You are going to take the buffalo snow hearts and spray paint them. You can choose whatever colors you would like to spray paint them. You're going to be using those small hearts that we cut off earlier from the bigger hearts. Grab one of the small hearts along with your glue gun and glue the small heart in the middle of the buffalo heart. I was making smaller hearts for another Valentine project, so I decided to include this part of the video as an example on what to do next with the bigger hearts. For the bigger hearts you will need broom handles from Dollar Tree. You will use your glue gun and glue the broom handle to the back of the heart, like in this clip, but instead of using a broom handle I am using a small skewer instead. I am using this sparkle blue tape to cover up the skewer. You would do the same thing for the broom handle. You can use whatever color of tape you want to cover up the handle. Grab a clear plastic bag. You can find these big ones at Dollar Tree for the bigger hearts. Place your hearts in the bag. Twist the bottom of the plastic bag around the skewer and grab your heat gun. When using the heat gun, select a low setting for the heat. When you find the right heat setting on the heat gun, go back and forth with the heat gun until the plastic starts to shrink, but be careful not to make small holes in the plastic because you stayed in one area too long. These are the results for the Valentine cotton candy hearts. You can also add any type of ribbon to the hearts to make them stand out more. You can use these hearts for decorations for outside, to give someone or make smaller ones, and you can also create these all year round and give them out as an act of love to someone.